Today I am going to teach you area of a triangle. Let us find out area of a triangle. Area of a triangle, you need a formula for this. Area of triangle is equal to, I will be giving you formula, half base into height. This dots means multiplication. Okay, I have written dots. Dot means multiplication. So this is the area of triangle. If you want to find out the area of a triangle, you should use a formula. This is one of the formula. Okay, so now let us have a triangle and then we will find out the area of a triangle. So I am drawing a triangle here. ABC is a triangle. So now in this triangle, half is the numerical, leave it. Base, what is the base? Base usually says that base is something on which the figure stands, like building stands on the base, basement. So every figure stands on one line or something, that we call it as a base. The whole triangle is standing on BC, therefore BC we call it as a base. And this triangle can stand even on AC. If you turn the triangle, this triangle you can turn and you can put up on AC also. That is why AC also becoming a base. If you can stand this entire triangle on AB also, so AB also can be a base. In this figure, the base is this one. This is base. Okay. So now by changing the figure, AC also can become a base and AB also can become a base. But in this figure, the whole figure stands on BC, therefore BC is known as base. Right. Now you have understood base. Then what is height? Height is something, this is the base, you take the opposite vertex, the highest point. In this figure, every figure, there will be some highest figure. So this highest point is A. From this, if you draw a perpendicular line to the base, then that perpendicular line we call it as a height. Now very simple, here I will draw a perpendicular line from A. So perpendicular means 90 degrees. So this will be the height perpendicular. See, if I put D here, so AD will become height. Now I will just tell you one more point. For example, the figure comes like this. This is also a triangle. Let me draw PQR. In this, the whole triangle stands on QR. Therefore, QR is the base. Then what will be the height? Opposite to this, the highest point, the peak point of this figure is P. So from this P, you have to draw a perpendicular towards the base. So now if I draw perpendicular, then what happens? I am drawing perpendicular. It is not there. So you have to extend the base also. You just extend the base, and in this case you are having the height outside. If I write this as PS, PS will be the height. So in this figure, the altitude height is inside. In this figure, height is outside. So don't think that height always will be inside the figure. So I hope you have understood height. Now let us find out the area. Now for example, this base BC is equal to 100 centimeters and this height is equal to, let us say, 60 centimeters. So then what will be the area of this triangle? Area of triangle ABC, half into base is BC and height is AD. So now already values are there. BC is 100 centimeters and AD is equal to 60 centimeters. So this 2 will get cancel in 50 times. So 50 into 60, 2 zeros, and 5 into 6, 30. 3000. Also centimeter into centimeter, you can write centimeter square. This is the unit of the area. Very, very important. So unit of area is square units or unit square. So here the unit is in centimeters, that is why here centimeter square came. In the place of centimeter, if meter is there, meter square will come. In the place of centimeter, feet is there, feet square will come. Whatever the unit is there, that unit square will come. That's why generally unit of area is a square unit or unit square. Both are same. Unit square or square unit. Very, very important. When you are writing the area, you should indicate unit also. I will indicate in the other way also. 3000 square centimeter. So both are same. So this is area of this figure. Same way, let us find out area of this figure also. So now here is a base QR is equal to, let us say, 4 meters and PS is equal to 3 meters. Sometimes it can be given like this also. Now let us find out the area of a triangle PQR. So I told you here in this case the height is lying outside. So now half into, what is the base here? Base is QR. Don't write SR because QS is outside. The figure is only, this is the figure, that means only PQR. So that is why you should write QR as the base and height is PS. So now QR is given how much? 4 meters into PS is 3 meters. So this 2 will get cancelled in 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Meter into meter, meter square. Or you can write 6 square meter. Any way you can write. You just check your textbook. In the textbook, if it is written meter square, write meter square. If it is written square meter, you can write square meter. This is how to find out the area of a triangle. I hope you have understood. Let us see you in next video.